Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be setting up for planning in my classic Happy Planner for the week of August 3rd through the 9th. And I thought since Saturday was National Planner Day, I would do a spread somewhat centered around planning and goals and all those things. So, sticker that said Happy Plans, put that up here. And then for accent stickers, I've just pulled kind of this Color Story palette, and then a bunch of circle stickers and some black boxes. So let's see how we can have fun with this. Okay, I'm getting an idea of putting these circle stickers kind of all in this middle row like a collage. I love making collages. But first I need to put down my boxes because I need to have space to write my plans. So we're gonna do let's see, Monday. This can be Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then this is the weekend, and I will add some headers at the end, but now let's have some sticker fun. Important. Today, I do not like the word hustle. I'm just gonna get rid of the sticker. I know, not from the woman who uses all the stickers, but there are some stickers I will never use. So I just get rid of them. And then we've got, what else here? I think I will put goals here. because that's what I tend to work on the weekends, my goals. Got a little flag. Guess we'll do it this way. So there you go. I think that's going to be it for this spread. I think it turned out pretty cute. You never know how it's going to go when you head down these creative, meandering roads. Not sure quite where it'll lead, but I enjoy it, and best of all, I used up a whole sticker page. Does anybody else get a thrill when they've used a whole sticker page? And then what I do once I've used up a page is I peel up the paper part, and then I reuse these sticker pages for sticker planning. Now I still have stickers on this side, so I've got to wait till I use up the rest of these, but like here's one that I've used both sides. So then I just use this to pre-plan. So that's all for today's video. I apologize I wasn't too chatty, but I did enjoy the creative process, and I hope you did too. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to be notified of more content that I post, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks guys. Bye.